His Excellency Faisal Niaz Tirmizi, Pakistan's ambassador to the United Arab Emirates, inaugurated the Pakistan pavilion at GITEX Global 2024 today at the Dubai World Trade Center. In his remarks, Ambassador Tirmizi expressed his pride in GITEX Global recognition of Pakistan as the Tech Destination of the Year 2024, a recognition of the country's impressive advancements in IT-related services and products. Council Journal Hussain Mohammed, Trade and Investments Councillor Alizeb Khan, and senior government officials from Pakistan were also present on the occasion. Ambassador Tirmizi highlighted the substantial growth of Pakistan's IT export to the UAE, which have risen by 34%, reaching $265 million. He also noted that Pakistan's global IT export now exceed 3.2 billion with the potential for continued growth. The ambassador acknowledged the collaborative efforts of the Ministry of Information Technology and Telecommunication (MOITT), Pakistan Software Export Board (PSEB), Pakistan Software Houses Association (PSHA), and the Special Investment Facilitation Council (SIFC) in organizing and showcasing Pakistan's IT industry at the exhibition. Their joint efforts have made it possible for Pakistan to present its full spectrum of capabilities at GITEX Global, the world's largest IT exhibition, highlighted Mr. Tirmizi. Ambassador Tirmizi also commended the leadership of Prime Minister Mohammad Shehbaz Sharif and Minister of State for IT and Telecommunication Mishra Fatma Khwaja for their vision in driving the country's IT sector forward. Pakistan, with the third largest English speaking population,
यूथ है उसमें बहुत पोटेंशियल है और यही मैसेज मैं देकर आना चाहता हूँ। टेक डेस्टिनेशन पाकिस्तान जाइटेक्स में है और यही हमारे यूथ को अगले साल हमारी रिप्रेजेंटेशन से दुगनी तिगनी और 4 गुना बढ़नी चाहिए। बहुत ज़बरदस्त। ऑल क्रेडिट टू मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ आईटी, पीसीबी, पाशा, SIFC एंड ऑफ कोर्स हमारे कमर्शियल काउंसलर और हमारे काउंसलर जनरल ने दिन रात की मेहनत और आपको नज़र आ रही है वो।